Let's not think about tomorrow, and take my hand tonight. We can find some place to go. 'Cause our hearts